Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Thursday. It is the 27th day of the month of June, and we're approaching the fifth weekend of the month of June. Doesn't happen very often, but the 29th and 30th looks like it's going to be some rainy weather for the Northeast. But that frontal system that moved through during the evening hours on Wednesday, that was associated with the high pressure building down across the Great Lakes, but there was some locally severe weather that moved out of eastern Pennsylvania and affected the New York, New Jersey metropolitan area, and it caused extensive delays, some 1 to 3 hour delays, and also cancellations of flights into specific places in the Northeast because of those thunderstorms. I saw for a period of almost 2 to 3 hours airplanes circling right over Philadelphia, also around eastern PA, off of Tom's River off the Jersey coast, and some of those flights coming in from the Atlantic and from Europe and from Turkey and also the Mideast had to make diversions into JFK because they couldn't wait for the weather situation to improve that much better. That's why we talk about aviation hubs weather. When we expect those big storms, it's always an idea for you to at least, if you are flying or if somebody is flying, anticipate that there will be delays and there will probably be some changes in plans as far as flights are concerned across the nation. First, the weather situation for the Northeast corridor. Clearing trend today. Beautiful weather. Highs will reach the mid-80s with low, comfortable relative humidity on your Thursday. Thursday night, fair and cool, 55 to 60. The sun rises around 5:30 in the morning in New York. On Friday morning, it sets at 8:33. It will be one beautiful day and a light north-north breeze. Hope you can get out and enjoy it. Low, comfortable relative humidity because this weekend is a big area of rain across the central and northern Rockies and western plain states, and that'll be arriving in the east on Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and Sunday. So it does look like a good possibility for some very rainy conditions across the Northeast corridor from D.C. up to Boston this upcoming weekend. Aviation hubs across the nation. If you, in fact, you are flying on this Thursday or Friday, looks like high pressure is going to be the main feature across the Great Lakes. Chicago and Minnesota is looking pretty good, as does Detroit. New York, no problems there, but they're probably trying to make up some time for all the delays and the cancellations that occurred yesterday. And it looks like there will be fair conditions and no problems, at least inbound into New York, Philadelphia, D.C., also the LaGuardia, JFK, and up to the Boston area, all looking pretty good weather-wise. Down in Atlanta, it looks like the frontal system to be down there. There will be some delays into there. That could cause some extensive delays across the whole system, as Delta has their hub there, and it is the number one place of aviation activity in the nation, and for that matter, the world as well, and the Atlanta area. Dallas, Fort Worth, and Houston looking pretty good, but much of Florida during the afternoon, there will be thunderstorms. There will be some delays trying to get in and around those storms. And a lot of storms from the Gulf Coast of Louisiana all the way to northern Florida Panhandle, coastal Georgia, and even up in the Charlotte area, there's going to be some rainy conditions. West Coast still looking pretty good. Four Corners still with the monsoons. Lots of rain in the Four Corners region all the way up into Montana and western Dakota. There could be some locally severe weather in eastern Montana, western Kansas, Nebraska, and western South Dakota. But the West Coast looking pretty good, at least in San Diego, L.A., and San Francisco. Rainy conditions in Portland and up in Seattle, where it's typical for this time of year. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the weatherman. I hope you have a great day today. Enjoy the day on Friday. It looks really nice, but it looks like some rainy weather for the weekend for the Northeast. And we'll have the details for you first thing tomorrow. Have a great day.